In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe from an account on Substack. So if you have quite a number of accounts that you subscribed to and you wish to unsubscribe, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, I'll go ahead and just open any account that I follow. For instance, this one, I'm just using it for an example. I'll unsubscribe and then subscribe again because I love the content shared by this. As you can see, I subscribe to this account, but I wish to unsubscribe on it. To unsubscribe, go ahead and tap on unsubscribe here and then confirm by yes. And you can see the status has changed to subscribe. So if you unsubscribe from an account, it means you might miss out on their newsletters and also you might miss out their content in their feeds. So if you want to get their content on their feeds on Substack platform, then you make sure that you open the account and make sure you are following. So you can stay unsubscribed, but at the same time, you are following their content by tapping on follow. So you can see I'm already following this account. If you no longer want to follow them, you can also go ahead and unfollow by just tapping on it. And as you can see, I'm now unfollowing. So I'll go ahead and follow back again. So that's how you can unsubscribe on Substack account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.